Welcome to Bader International's Classic Online Motorcycle Sales. This motorcycle is a 1941 Harley Davidson WLA. Of course, this is the 45 cubic inch engine. I don't need to mention that because 99% of you all know that. And this bike was done up about 20 years ago by my very good friend David Serafam. And when I talked to him on the phone about this bike, he said, make sure you mention that this would be an Ordinance rebuild. In other words, this is not a period correct restoration. This is how it would have came out of the Ordinance department after the bike went in for a rebuild. They would pull an engine off the shelf, maybe grab a different frame, a couple of wheels, throw it together just so you have a motorcycle, and that's what this bike is like. So I don't know if the sheet metal is all original. David couldn't remember. But when you see items like this rear rack all beat up, it sort of gives you an indication that this is not a reproduction. It has the blackout lights on the rear, proper oil bath air cleaner, M88 carburetor, model 32E generator. Speedometer was restored, and it shows 2,500 miles on the bike. Those are actual riding miles since the rebuild that was done way back when. You have a ammo box, your blackout lights on the front, nice horn, and of course the scabbard. This would make a great rider, or if you wanted to throw it in your collection. Again, this bike has a little bit of edge to it. It's not politically correct, it's not fresh, it's just a very, very nice, authentic Harley Davidson WLA. And 1941 is actually rare because they didn't make a lot of them. 1942 is when they started stamping the cases, 42 only, all the way up through 1945. Well, this motorcycle, along with many others, can be viewed on our website at www.baterinternational.com, or you can call me direct at 805-798-1802, and I'll be happy to speak to you about it.